Hi everyone. Hold on, redo that. Shut the fuck up. I'm doing the best I fucking can. I'm loading another bowl. Hi everybody, it's Kaceytron here on YouTube. Fuck. Hi. Fuck. Hi YouTube. What's up? Kaceytron here, doing some DIY. We're doing high DIY today on Twitch. So, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a few things. First of all, you need to get high. Holy fuck. Those are the things. Wait, fuck. Okay. Fuck. I gotta take out my jacket for a second.
Smoke weed every day.
Okay. So let's go ahead and get started here, everyone. So I got some shirts picked out that I was thinking I could cut into a cuter look. I just need a second. No, I'm about to fucking start, motherfucker. I'm looking at the different looks, okay? Love her. Wow, what is she saying? Okay, so yeah, I want to do that. So, wait, you guys made me even forget what I was fucking doing. Like, this isn't the DIY that I wanted to do. I've been trying to think of content for my YouTube that I could do, that I could reach a new audience, and I thought, do you know what I could do? I could do DIY, because there's a lot of channels that do DIY. I could do high DIY. I could do 420 weed DIY, and I can have myself in the thumbnail looking all high, like. Do I look high? I've got some scissors, I've got some thread and a glue gun, and honestly that's gonna be all that I need. Get your shit, if anybody wants to follow along, if it doesn't have to do with anime, video games, or food, then I don't care. Like, I tied it in the front, but I'm kind of over the ties. Like, I feel like the knot in the front is out. Isn't that cute? Like, I think I could cut that into something cute. Does anybody have their shirts? Is anybody doing this along with me? See, and that just, it cuts like butter, honestly. I just cut right through it with these kitchen shears. Cute. Look at that.
Wow.
Look, it's already transformed. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. Okay. What do you guys think? This looks like shit. Shut the fuck up. I know it's still not, honestly, like I said, this was just a practice round. I'm gonna give it like kind of like, you know, like just like a scoop neck. You know what I mean? Like just give it like a really cute scoop neck. Scoop neck. Scoop neck. No, I'm not ironing it. Fuck that. Okay, so I'm cutting out the neck now. Hold on. I'm not gonna iron this shirt. Leave me alone. Mind your own business, okay? We don't have time for all of that. I'm not getting out a fucking iron. You guys are just trying to stress me out about something.
Smoke weed every day.
Okay, so I'm cutting out this scoop and this scoop neck. No, I'm not gonna wash the shirt, okay? Just shut up and let me fucking focus on this shit right now. You guys are gonna throw off my fucking focus. I'm gonna fucking fuck it up, okay? Like, stop trying to distract me and shit. Like, this shit requires focus. You guys are gonna have me fucking up all of my shirts, and that's gonna piss me the fuck off. Perfect. Honestly, looks so good. Ugh. Shut the hell up. That's kind of cute. Cute. What do you guys think of this look? Like, you guys, this is gonna look stupid. I look like a fucking idiot. Like, honestly, cutting up your clothes like this and trying to repurpose them, it just is something that makes you look poor, if I'm being honest. Like, if I show up somewhere in this, I'll just look poor. I'll just look like a poor fucking tweaker. This is something that tweaker meth heads do, I think. You know how, like, the tweaker men, they're, like, working on cars and shit? This is what the women do. Like, honestly, I'm sorry, but I feel like a crackhead. Oh, it's like... I look like a fucking crackhead. Like, no, I don't know. This looks stupid. I look stupid. But what about now? There, that's fine. Diagonally or some shit, like right up to the collar. So let's get to cutting. Perfect. See that shit? Perfect. Fuck! Cute. See that shit? Okay, I'm like way ahead of this bitch. Is anybody doing any DIY at home with me? Anybody? Or any girls like cutting their shirts into something like cute? Unlikely. I accidentally picked up. Then I hung up really quick. I love that Jesus tee. It's so cute. I want a shirt like that, honestly. I would wear the fuck out of it. Girl, what is she doing? I don't know what she's doing, but I feel like I should be doing that. Like, fuck. Like, honestly, I'm just kind of skipping ahead of her. She's just taking too long for this shit. Like, I know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm like doing the, and then I'll just tie it in the back. Wow, so cute. I could wear this to a concert, it'd be so cute. Yeah, like, I think I cut this part too. Oh my god, I'm gonna do this to my other shirts. It was so easy, so cute. Oh my god, I love it. What do you guys think? I feel like it turned out. It turned out, honestly. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna be able to repurpose my shirts. I'm gonna make some more into tank tops, I think. The tank top is just so cute. Honestly, I'm really excited for the new looks. I'm still stuck on step 1. Me too. Hi YouTube. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Shut the fuck up.
X200.
Beefcake.
Hello YouTube.
Thank you.
Kaceytron here. I'm now going to show you how to cut holes into clothes I recently bought from the Goodwill.
Shut the fuck up.